Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset Lightburn to factory or default setting. So it's extremely simple to do this. Let's say that you have your layout messed over, or basically you just want to reset this specific part of your Lightburn. It's extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just click on Windows, and you have the ability to click on the reset to default layout, and it will basically reset everything to the default setting. But if this is not your problem, what we can do is to head over to File, click on the Open Preferences folder. Now it's going to be this one, Preferences, Open Preference folder. And what you want to do is to just close out of the Lightburn. And after closing it out, you just want to delete everything inside this specific folder. Basically, this files contains our settings, our export settings, and a bunch more. Basically, if you just delete this, it will just replace it with the default ones, or it will create a new ones from the default factory setting. So that's all you have to do in order to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.